angles. If I said angle 1, 2, 3, 4, if I said the measure of angle 1 equals 50 degrees, could you tell me the measure of angle 3? Yeah, what is it? 50 degrees, because if 1 equals 50, that means 3 is also 50 because they are vertical. Make sense? So we're going to keep that same train of thought, and we're going to look at example 3. It says, what is the value of x in the figure? So if I look at this angle, its vertical angle is 130. So that means that these two angles are what to each other? Congruent, which means equal to each other. So what am I going to set equal to the other? 130. Good. So if they equal each other, I set 2x plus 2 equal to 130. Now I can solve for x. What would I do first?
-2.
Good. Good.
Divide that by 2.
And I get
64.
64. Questions on that? Vertical angles are what to each other? Equal to. Vertical angles are what to each other? Equal to. So then in GATA E, we have to figure out the measure, or we have to figure out what y equals. So what angle is vertical to the one that has the y in it? Damien? Okay, do you know what my question was? I said, which angle is vertical to the one that has y in it? 50, because these two are vertical to each other, so I'm going to set them what to each other? Equal to each other. So then there I have 3y minus 10 equals what? 50. How would I solve?
You would add.
Good. I hope you're writing this down with me. So I would get 3y equals what?
3y
60. And then I would
divide by 3 and get 4.
divide by 3, and y does equal 20. Now, is y equals 20 the value of that, or the measure of that degree? No, that is just what y equals. If we wanted to know what this angle equals, we know this angle is equal to this angle, so it is also 50 degrees. We just wanted to figure out the value of y. So do I need to put a degree label on that? No. Question? Okay, go to the next page. All right, so in example 4, this one's a little bit different because if I look at these two angles, are they vertical to each other? Are they opposite each other? No. So can I say that they're equal? No, and I can look at the size of them and I know that they're not equal. Okay? So, if I look at them though, what type of angle is this right there?
Straight.
It's a straight angle. What does a straight angle measure?
180.
180. So we know that that angle is 180. Now, if I take this angle and combine it with this angle, they make this angle, correct?
Yeah.
So this angle and that angle make a straight angle. So those two angles combined are going to equal what?
180.
180. What does combined mean? You add them together. So what's the measure of this angle?
150.
Plus, what's the measure of this angle?
180.
What is it? 5x. So how would I solve?
You would
Subtract
150. 65.
And that equals 5x. So then what would I do?
You would
And what do you get x to equal?
13.
Questions? So vertical angles are equal. A straight line measures 180. Damien, if vertical angles are Angelo, vertical angles are?
Straight.
No. Jacob, vertical angles are? Equal. Straight angles equals? Angelo, vertical angles are?
Equal.
Straight angle measures?
180.
Damien, vertical angles are? Straight line measures? 180. Okay? Questions?